TradersWork is a financial educational service designed to help individuals, traders and investors succeed through the platform. The site offers live trading, trading strategies, signals and copy trades. Join our free group chat for more video tutorial and updates. We don't just teach you how to trade, we practice and trade with you. You should not invest more than you can afford to lose and should ensure that you fully understand the risk involved. Learn first before you trade.
Welcome to TradersWork. In this video tutorial, we will talk about the basics. What is cryptocurrency? What is blockchain? Types of cryptocurrencies. What is a stablecoin? What is altcoin or alternative coin? Types of exchange. Types of wallets. For advanced, how to buy or trade, the fundamentals, technical, charting, and candlestick. Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that is secured by cryptography, which makes it nearly impossible to counterfeit or double spend. We can trade or invest 24/7. The market is open. It can be used to buy anonymously. It's decentralized, plus it has low fees to buy, sell, or transfer. Now, we've all heard about or are familiar with Bitcoin. After all, Bitcoin is the first cryptocurrency created in 2009. It uses peer-to-peer technology to facilitate instant payments. It was created by Satoshi Nakamoto. Blockchain. Blockchain is a digitally distributed decentralized public ledger that exists across the network. As you can see on this photo, in traditional banking, the central bank tracks payments between clients, whereas in blockchain banking, transactions are recorded on multiple network computers and settled by many individuals. Therefore, by using blockchain, we can eliminate double spending or loose payments. Plus, it's more cheaper and faster. It's no wonder most of the systems now are adapting blockchain technology. There are two types of blockchains: public and private. Public, we use it to trade and invest, whereas private, it's used by companies and corporations. There are also two types of public blockchains. The first one works as currency, like Bitcoin, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, and XRP. And the other one is smart contract, like Ethereum, ERC20, Binance, BSC, Solana, Cardano, Polkadot, and Tron. Smart contracts are simply programs stored on a blockchain that run when the predetermined conditions are met. They typically are used to automate the execution of an agreement so that all participants can be immediately certain of the outcome. Without any intermediaries, involvement, or time loss, they can also automate a workflow, triggering the next action when the conditions are met. As you can see on my screen, I have BSC Network from BNB and Etherscan from Ethereum chain. We have a separate video on how to use smart contract. Coins versus token. Cryptocurrency coin operates on blockchain. It acts as money and can be mined. Example, BNB coin, Ethereum coin, and Bitcoin. Unlike tokens, tokens do not have their own blockchain. They instead rely on smart contracts. What is stablecoin? A stablecoin is a digital currency that is pegged to a stable reserve asset like the US dollar or gold. Stablecoins are designed to reduce volatility relative to unpegged cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. On my screen, as you can see, the price is around $1, 1 USD. Let's say you made a profit by trading BNB coins, but you don't want to exchange it yet to fiat currencies. You could swap BNB to stablecoin in order to eliminate withdrawal fees and the volatility of the market. Alt token, also known as alternative currency, which means any other currency other than Bitcoin. Defy token, it's decentralized financial token, acts like a currency, can be used in games or ICOs. NFT token, non-fungible token, can be used to represent real-world items like artwork, real estate, photos, and videos. Other examples are Metaverse, Polkadot, BNB Chain, Solana, and Avalanche. The ownership of the coins that are held by the exchange completely. A centralized exchange operates similar to the banks today. The pros are it's safe and it's regulated. Examples of centralized brokerages are Binance, Gemini, and Coinbase. Decentralized exchange, or DEX, is a peer-to-peer marketplace where transactions occur directly between crypto traders. The pros are availability of tokens and anonymity. The cons are it's high profit, but also at a high risk. Examples of decentralized exchange are PooCoin, DexTool, PancakeSwap, and Uniswap. Crypto wallets store your private keys, keeping your crypto safe and accessible. They also allow you to send, receive, and spend cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Hot wallets are the wallets that are required to be connected to the internet. It's online. Cold wallet are the types of cryptocurrency wallets for cold storage, and these wallets store crypto tokens in offline mode. We also have a tutorial on how to download and install MetaMask. How to trade. Create a CEX brokerage account. Binance is among the best crypto brokerage on the market, a simple user interface and a variety of altcoins to choose from. You can register using our referral link or input our code. To make an account, you'll need to provide your crypto brokerage with your personal identification information. It's similar to opening an account with a stock brokerage. Some common information you'll need to provide when setting up your account include your social security number, address, date of birth, and email address. Then, fund your account. Once you've signed up with a crypto brokerage, you'll need to connect your bank account. Most crypto brokerages offer bank funding through debit cards and wire transfers. Next, choose a strategy. There are many trading strategies to choose from. There's day trading, swing trading, investing, and there's also scalp trades. And most traders take multiple factors into consideration when buying and selling cryptocurrency. If you are new to trading or investing, you may want to consider purchasing a cryptocurrency trading course. TradersWork, we don't just teach how to trade, we practice and trade with you. We teach scalp trading in crypto, swing trading, investing, and day trading. Then, store your cryptocurrency. If you're already trading your cryptocurrency, you'll have to store your funds on the exchange to have access to them. If you're buying or investing your cryptocurrency to hold for the mid to long term, then you should get a crypto wallet. Cryptocurrency wallets come as hot wallets or cold wallets. How to buy or trade DeFi coin. First, we need CEX brokerage to fund your account using fiat. Most crypto brokerages offer bank funding through debit cards, wire transfers, and P2P. You can click the link below to register with Binance. You need to transfer your coin to Hot Wallet, then connect it to DEX brokerage like PooCoin, DexTool, PancakeSwap, and Uniswap. Before trading, ask yourself questions like what is the use of the token or utility? Who will buy it? Things to consider before trading DeFi. Prioritize liquidity. Volatility is a good thing. Invest what you can afford. Active community. Take your gains often. Diversity. Dollar cost average. Join our trading course to learn Forex, stocks, cryptocurrencies, and get access with our live trades and trading rates for new tokens. You can also use pro strategies. To find out more, join TradersWork in order to learn and practice these strategies. TradersWork teaches day trading, scalping, range trading or swing, dollar cost averaging, build balanced portfolio, ACS strategies, and research DYOR or DYOR.